had a conversation in Norway that changed the way I think about science, or at least it changed the way that I think about how Americans think about science. And I want to talk about it.
Hi. Tell me your name.
Siri. I work at Invento. We are the hospital and university's tech transfer office.
So Siri tells me about this ongoing government initiative that will serve as a 10-year plan to get more clinical trials up and running in Norway. And this led to a conversation about one of my favorite topics, which is rare disease.
I think there will be a good atmosphere for collaboration between the industry and the researchers and academia.
That's huge. I work in the field of rare disease, and a lot of times people are hesitant to fund clinical trials for diseases that only affect a small handful of people. At the end of the day, these people do need help. And if an academic makes a breakthrough that could help them, it almost doesn't matter if it's not actually going to reach the patient.
Norway is attractive also in the rare disease space.
Okay.
Companies working in this field. So.
Norway is actually really well positioned to handle rare disease research. First of all, they keep these super thorough health registries, which means that even if only a small number of patients share a specific diagnosis, it's easy to keep track of who's getting what care. And secondly, the low cost of healthcare means that super specialized treatments are less likely to be prohibitively expensive. And thirdly, Siri said this.
There's a trust in the system in Norway. Take part in a clinical trial, both for to see if you can help yourself, but also, as you say, for the medical innovation, help others.
And this is the bit that really changed how I thought about science in the country I grew up in, and specifically about the people in that country who seem to just not want to listen to scientists. So as a scientist, it's easy to be just completely flummoxed by the idea of someone straight up not believing you when you put hard evidence in front of them. But hear me out. Science is a system. And if you have been told your entire life that you are not entitled to a system that will adequately take care of you, it becomes understandable that a person might have difficulty trusting that any system at all sincerely has their best interests at heart. When people are not protected and uplifted by the people in power, and when we recognize that educated expertise is a form of power, it starts to make sense that people might stop trusting in scientists when other powerful people who are supposed to provide them with the bare minimum have consistently failed to.
There's so many wonderful sort of investments in the welfare of the citizens here. And I can so see how that would then translate into a trust in the systems of science as well.
The people of Norway, as far as I can tell, feel that the systems that surround and support them have earned their trust in these really fundamental and crucial ways, and that trust therefore extends to the systems that drive scientific innovation.
That's something that Norway has really impressed me with so far, just how much faith people have in the systems that surround them. It's a really beautiful thing.
I agree, it's really important, and it's something that I'm proud of coming from Norway.
Living in a system that you genuinely trust should not be a privilege, but it's definitely treated like one. And therefore, it becomes a point of pride for the people who have it.